This is your girl Bree. Welcome back. And if you're not back and this is your first time seeing my videos, hello. I hope you like them and I hope you subscribe and I hope that you hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified as soon as I post a new video. So anyway, you guys, on to the topic of this video, and it's called unboxing my first haul from Dolls Kill. Alright, so I had never heard of this website. I got on Google looking for some fresh swag. Do people still say swag? I might be old. I might be a little old, okay. Well, anyway, I got on Google typing in the style of clothes that I was looking for, and this website called Dolls Kills popped. So I click on it. I didn't see any reviews on their website of the clothes, so I was like, hey, no reviews on the items individually. Should I search on YouTube? Should I search Google some more? No, let's just search the website and see what I like and order and have some faith that it's good quality, okay? And that's what I did. And then I searched it after the box got here, and I still haven't opened it. And then I found out that the reviews are nice, that people like the clothes, and that I'm late to discovering them. Yes, I'm late. I feel like I've been under a rock. Yes. Under some big ass boulder, because how the F do I not know about Dolls Kills? I mean, everybody that bought from them, the clothes look cute on, so I'm late to the ball game. But I'm hoping that I open my box and I kill my look just like everybody else, because the prices were really fair and the items seem very unique. Like, I haven't went on any other website that I normally shop on and seen anything like what Dolls Kills have. They are killing the looks. Yeah, they're really cute clothes. So without further ado, let's unbox this, because I don't even remember what I ordered. I've been doing so much shopping lately that I forgot what I even ordered from this site. You guys, I think it was like some shoes and a hat.
Bruh.
I don't know, but let's find out together, okay? Without further ado, let me get my butter knife and pop this baby open, because I can't find my scissors. And we are back with the butter knife. Do not try this at home. You might stab your items or stab yourself, okay? Do not try that at home, because you might stab your items or stab yourself. Okay, first off, you guys, the box is dope. It's too cool. I love it. It says, I'm here, let's party. So you already know the clothes are just going to be something insane, something different. And the side of the box says Dolls Kill. And yes, my box is ruined by my label. And look at how pretty, y'all. Look at the designs. Yes, I'm loving it. It's such a freaking vibe. It says Dolls Kill. Got some lipstick and other logos from the website. And let's go ahead and pop this open. Okay? But yes, I'm loving the box. Like I said, my butter knife, because I can't find my scissors. Pop this baby open real quick so we can see what's in here and get a little peekity peek of what I bought. Oh my goodness. All right, finally got that tape popped open. Ooh. Okay, so I did order a hat. Okay, I did. And if you guys are wondering which hat I bought, this one is called Dark Magic wide brim hat. It's in black. It's a one size hat. And there's the SKU number, so you guys can try to search that on their site. It's a little smushed in from shipping. No biggie. I should be able to pop it out. Okay, it popped right on out. Nice looking hat. I will try it on for you guys, so have no fear, so you guys can see what that looks like on. Can't remember how much I paid for the hat. It's Black Friday, so it's on sale. All right, so let's see what else we got down in this box. Okay, so it looks like I only purchased 2 items. I don't know why I thought I purchased a little bit more than that, but nonetheless, this is my first order. So far, I like what I've bought, and I will be returning back for more. Okay, so this is just paperwork about how to make a return and a return policy. And what I ordered, it looked like there was 3 items. No, my bad. It looks like I ordered a hat, some socks, some boots, and a face mask. Okay, so there should be 4 items. Okay. So let's open up this box. My shoes I bought are Willie 1. That's the style name in the color black. Size 8 is my shoe size. 8 to 8.5, depending on how the shoes are made. And let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. So the rest of my items were in the box with the shoe. So what is this? Take a risk chain socks. I don't remember ordering chain socks, but okay, maybe I did. Like I said, I don't remember much of what I ordered. Oh, okay. So this is the mask that it came with for free. Dolls Kill. It came with the order because I ordered during Black Friday when they had this offer. Very cute. I'm definitely going to be wearing this. Ooh, okay, that just fell on the floor. These are my socks. I don't remember ordering the socks, but yeah, I'm going to have to log back in and see if I ordered these. I don't remember. These are the chains to go with the socks, I guess. I'm going to have to go on their website and figure out what socks these are because I don't know how I would put this together, how that goes. I don't know. All right, time for the boots. Okay. These are supposed to be thigh-high boots. And you guys, these are looking really nice so far. Okay. Quality looks very, very good. It doesn't look real cheapy or anything. Can't remember how much I paid for these. I will look at my receipts and link that somewhere in the comments. But these look nice. They're very long. I'm actually going to try these on for you guys too and show you guys what they look like on me. So give me one moment to come back with everything tried on. It's minus the socks. I'm going to have to figure those socks out, you guys. You guys, so that was me unboxing everything. This is me trying a few of the items on. This is my face mask right here that says Dolls Kill. I'm going to try this on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Okay, I like it. It's kind of tight, very tight. But very cute. Very cute and fashionable. Especially compared to some of the other masks I wear, which is usually my trendy blue mask. You know, it's the most trendiest mask ever. But that one's a little bit more fashionable than that one. Well, a lot of bit more fashionable. So here we go with the hats. I just started wearing hats last year and I really like them. They look nice with locks. So I'm trying to step my hat game up for 2021 and purchase a little bit more. So here we go with the hat. This is on just straight. No, I don't think I like how I put it on just now. This is on this way. I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit more to figure out how I like it to fit on. But so far, I like the hat. Hopefully you guys can see the back really good. I like it. All right, so very pleased. Let me see if I can find the prices on what I paid for these items so that you guys know. So the mask was free. That part I can tell you off the gate. Gosh, they didn't put my prices on here, so dang it. I know the hat was like $10 or below because it's Black Friday. The socks I want to say were like less than $8 for sure. And the boots, no more than $25. And they had an extra promo offer. I can't remember how much off it was, but I registered with my email and it gave like a percentage off. Terrible, you guys. I know I should have shared this video right when I got the box and had everything still in my head, but nonetheless, I want to show you guys what everything looks like. So here we go with the boots. So I'm gonna get all the stuffing out and everything so you guys can see me put these on. I'm so excited about these boots. Look at how long they are, you guys. Y'all, this is long. I don't have a pair of boots like this. I don't. I'm so excited about these. And it was like 25 bucks. What? I should have got more. I should have got all the other colors. But like I said, I didn't know anything about the site. So next time you guys find a deal online and you don't know nothing about the website, do better than I did. Do some research and see that the stuff is quality and rack up on those deals. I should have listened. God, I should have listened to my instinct about doing the research, but I didn't. I just took some faith out and bought them. Dang it. Now the boots are quality. And the sale is over. Anyway, let me show you the boots, y'all. And that's it, you guys, for my unboxing video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a comment, let me know. And also be sure to like, share, and subscribe.